St. Anne's Bay Mayor Michael Belnavis readmitted to hospital after suffering serious chop wounds at his home. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Michael Belnavis, the mayor of St. Anne's Bay, has been readmitted to hospital for observation after suffering serious chop wounds to his upper body and hand during an attack at his home on Monday. Belnavis, who was initially discharged on Tuesday and reported to be recovering well, returned to the hospital after suffering dizziness. Medical professionals continue to monitor his condition, though his injuries are not considered life-threatening. Meanwhile, police have detained a person of interest who is currently under guard at hospital. Authorities have not yet disclosed any further information or any connection to the incident. The police have launched an active investigation into the circumstances surrounding the attack. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.